of JB down Kosuma Power Subin, Anna Adanse from North DC, Eura Casino Mechiano, Don Digo for Lata Commandos Mechiano. The American say MPP, Timia Bia Quasi and Congo to your premise now. And the Yamia Sepa, name on make sure say, or more disqualify Mudulim Vertin or Muya Pininano, or Mudu or Mukela and said Baba Tuga, no moons one will move it is all Mujinum, Aqua contest now, and as I say, rather than say be annunciated towards her, and this is Mubiable. So I convenient for this Ghana, a Jumana now to go for now by the Jumuana. As a monk come on to Namunya confusion, all the time you know all your day, down Queen Macron.
During about Confessante, more about so now, Pum to say. Kakra catching this for say omokasa kwa nyom no voter ID card na omongongoye ade na pilot you know afraid of company for kukudam na dream ke die animu on ye kasa Ghana for sanko fu mkasa presoro na so wan hwefo ma o ma abo bia kawo ye de na na do ma rehemu ye se kwan bia so e be san maintain no what ya say titru ne e mabunu no ade na Confessante lo ya koma do ma pia so wo chia pa Dr. Kinsinya koma kutufo mu
Kofi Asante me mo atana pe me nsasabere North Central so Deputy Chief of Staff, Mr. Sansubu Atimichano, Nana Kwame Asamabuata, Master Sante DC, Olusumichano. Kofi, Bantuma Telkis, in your Japan Safide, neck etumidi date at the Abba. I had 20th Junior, Kotwaba. Said the delegates, no, any pre out, Mamatusa, Compiaso, Bantuma Sansubu Atidia, Yadini Banidia. In Payfora, I had pass on my mamma, who did. I am a young man, to Apano, yes, Subati. Now, first to UG, another investor of Ghana, first from Muna, because Omano, I'll say you be back a crack, a yard away, no, and young Quananitino, and yes, to more man and now, sir. And it's in a present say, for a year from Costco. You said a yell and a best of Fatusano, Tias Ramobia Manacomam.
Ana bako fia sante na mwache hao bibini tachini espresso na mbutu akokora mekase ya mishirao enemeni aji pa.
And now
right, 9 minutes to hit 8 o'clock live on Insura 104.5 FM. Media Diana Bakofia Santi. Yankwa Masoniene, the National Youth Organizer for the New Patriotic Party. Lawyer Henry Nana Boache in Inkomoni understanding. And announcement, the General Secretary of the party, John Budu, one hour from Ibia Wenya and Tiasi, a dear party, and I say a party no decided. Lawyer, Memoache Anope.
Oh, Penny, Medasi, Yami Shawn, so now I COVID tell me to cancer.
Sir Jaminia, as a Abruenian compound
match, and all family and Bumuba who can't be fire.
Abruenian compound or Nabacha Wininia, eh?
Oh, there be all cancer there now, men in you. We are there when you have phone to know, I don't know, it's a moment, but it's okay.
Hey, lawyer. Mena de womani even ko lawyer even ko anyway Enra ne tofa bomu feya obi a otie the discussion the general secretary to dwanom decision be na MPP for now matiki
opani medase MPP mo ye won hyehyeye ye wo ye mra batan a edwumadi nyina no eya na ebo ho bra na ne tene se wa woni tua na wo senka ye primaries no kwa no 25th intini aye ho hyehyeye nyen akwakoye vetin nominate bibia baso intino abato ana wo senka de ko hyehyɛ so primaries no 25th no ana abeka ya atorencha ma atu wiase nyina covid edi ne ho nsem ebebo mu so no amampani so se nipa doma ya bochinku faako edi dwuma no eni no yentwensensan kaka enti as a responsible political party na we say quickly penifon so hia eni de kata betu dwa se because of satorenchem ntini atwensensan enti nzabere wayi poma kwan mu na niema etodin a yebema Ghana for any adisi nyina ate eti enra nano adwada and the National Steering Committee na ye responsible for the day-to-day management here and you be kai so a ye the question dance no na ɔmampanin so akasa sɛ nokora ɛne no yehu kwan a yɛbɛfa so yɛayɛ yɛbɛtumi aso ano ne ntimi ntrɛ yehu ne trend yehu sɛ ne sitie enti no ne hihia ne sɛ ɛyɛ precautionary measures nneɛma a yɛde ato dwa se yɛnni so san sɛ obi enimum kakra nti asɔrefo betumi akɔ asɔre yi school for no so fana yes betumi akɔ amanyɔsɛm nso no sɛ wo ya nipa 100 no per intimi more than 100 intimi mu chinku intina sa akonya aba sɛ quickly no also itimi ehia etienra na abrewa yi poma kwan mu ehia na ɛyɛ nneɛma miensa na ne toso wa wonim sɛ na anu ya na ɛbeto dwa sɛ yɛ campaign team ya pahontoma enti campaign manager nso the update ɛbɛyɛ ɛma yɛhu obiara ru obipli enje bia no nso no mo yɛ de ho nsɛm betudwa asana ne disuo nso biem no na ɛyɛ the update from the primaries enti ɛno nso obɛhwɛ nso a yɛmmerɛ mu no sɛ yɛyɛ vet wi a yɛwɔ national parliamentary appeals committee a ɔmo nso tena vet na so obi a wɔn nsɛm bia no ɔno nso de bɛkɔ akɔ dom ɛyɛ saa chairman McMahon ekui no mo so apension mu so mo so ma wiom adwuma no mo wiom adwuma ɛnyɛ final a recommendation no mo yɛ na the final body a determine say ampa opani we obetime gina we ontime gina we kokwanten kro we yi say yempa dwuma de bi ne say ya appeal to enipa so mesi ana obenten na nka we de nkontwentwen so saa tumi ni nyina kuta national executive committee eti enra yehia no edwundwen no so ho ewie de ho nyina nsem nyina so no ekowie a enti bia general secretary so ebe release notice of pool na atre omo a omo fa mu ni omo mantimi amfam a yɛhyɛ sɛ omo betwen kakra na ebe sɛ mu no yigidi sɛ akonya no beba de ama omo yewie ho na ɛwɔ so yɛhyɛ date nso de beto aba no enti no eno so mpanifo adwundwen ho ana de akɔhyɛ 20th of this month ya 20th May 20th May ana yɛde dwumadie no so ebɛhyehyɛ so yewie bibia na
media yɛtwamu
sorry 20th
June
so medical ka sɛ afia ya ba bosumi ya
exactly
20th June 20th June and yebe to yaba no yebe to no you said decide here because we know idea yin yika abribia so be hwa ye kwakọ yi ye ma hye bedwafo na omunya ye bochenku e ofaako e constituency be bia constituency ne be kire ye bochenku ho na no ya ye meeting sonko na meeting sonko no mu no na emuna ye be hwe so na ye de ato aba. And that is a constituency meeting. I be a conference, as a constituency conference. I na omuya omodia heso ediyi omapa. Intino ene eno ntimi masa sanse enipa domo a ose ebribia no mutimi shafa ko 100. Intino eno nso no yesa gina so ema neck ese decide say ene yesa na etede a yenya no eye electoral area by electoral area to electoral area bia no na yenya station no na omomo na beto aba enti yemmo ya no biem chenku sene ya na eta ye no faako no da bi enti ne ye beto no electoral area bia wo bia no eho ene bepe baabi no bia beto na ba yewie ya ne akenkan ne declare electoral area ho na yasa pe baabi wo constituency ma be coalition center
okay
we are near akokeka ni nyina asiani ne declare e wo ho no mo a
wow
sene be ya ye beboa ama eye covid-19 yeso no eye ho sensem a ye de atodwa ye ntiti ye ntem emani padogo na mo chinku ofaako ye nkokoro ye nsa ye nhyɛ nose masks very very important no kwasem ne se Ashanti region for the nose masks na dodo me diso mese se yenko so na no a na no hu mehwe akra de maka enyenyenyenyenyenyenye uguso aye pa adofo achewo se omunhye menam a manikwa ba kofi menam kwa ho se I'm telling you enkofo nhya de
I see nkranfo de omunhye
I'm telling you
I see
enti ya ozi ekoswa ni apeli to omu na no me ba Asante mantem nyamisham ɛyɛ boy ho ban yie pa ɛho hia obi on nam kwa ho bia me nam me se me tike ma me no wo kasa nyina kofi nkofo nse eti ni nyina no na ye koso abo ho deru ndi sa na ma ni nyina no entemfu ano na ma ye tiki sa
decision
le bi ma de ba kwa na se ho hia yie no de na kwakwaye National Council decision nti ye neck wi ye no na National Council members so no ewo tete kwa ho anisa ye wi ya na no so ye frɛ no so meeting
okay
na tumi a na ewo National Council dim no se obehwa I was say presidential primaries presidential primaries ye wi nomination ye no His Excellency the President na Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo enko na ebefa krata nti na ze ono nko na oko kwantinko nti na o se koya acclamation and so National Council ejina so decided say in the absence of that body no the highest decision making body of the party and National Council it because on open the far form what no ya nominate no any bibia nti no ye jina so e the stamp so so on the presidential candidate na mom no ye the dafo for sa betudwa and na ye be pa eye omampani ho ntoma kra na be di ekiri obahwe so a na no omampani e de ono ano ne krata ba ha no okasi sudua say or the His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia eneko enra eniji samo kan say he has been a very very faithful and a hard-working companion ohwe ebra in the sase 2008 anyi 2012 anyi 2016 anyi ya osane na SI akọ eye 2020 eti eno ne enema no tofa
okay
does
it mean say the youth organizer national youth organizer for the MPP lawyer Henry Nana Boakye does it mean say monkoye acclamation bim
yebeye by be abe for kwan so na yebeye no
okay
medical control says isi anu kwa no ye prime is ye no constituency kwa ya satrem
in the electoral area
and we no so no ye be no abe for kwan so a emma bibia but he is our flag bearer.
Okay.
That the National Council I endorse here we akase ye be pound hontuma e danedi no ne ade asese here unje ne electoral commission gas we bie ye presidential we say na ye hwe na ye mfa ye so candidate ma ye candidate na Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo eti ye pebra ye be pa no hontuma na ya pa na be di ekiri so hontuma account.
I see, but
every woman no enye brepa eno na amasa na nya aba because yen hihye mu pa no nanka ye to aba ni wie 25th April na nanka May mu ano ye baba be ye National Delegate Conference kakraka
okay
e Kumasi
okay
kakraka pa na ye de paw ye na Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo His Excellency wontuma na be di eti na ye yi ye MPC nyina ye do mu nyina edi na ejumadi ana o calendar so enso no eja obe ne dey ne nya besinsen ye ko mu ntino nya bibia na you between assistant lifestyle.
I see. Me Nana, when me ya adwen say e ba se abato okoso not only MPP NDC especially say ba se prime minister ya we na candidate campaign call for hotels near the day ahead and that means this thing could be affect the nature of everything.
Oh, say campaign crowd nanka itiamra enti say the shebe ba kwa na say yi campaign afi ha nyame ne da na say was abibia no na ye hyehyemra ye ka ho say wunyi kwan say delegate say kwa kwoto aba no odu me kwa kwohye da bi mu ana bibisa enti no ene nyame ne da na say ya ye no electoral area by electoral area.
The fact of omo disqualified ebinum a protest you know what's the final decision be bad being.
Oh, and then you are say the can bobo ho de ni na no ni eni see the stamp isi so no ya friends so ni o see the stamp isi so ni edi isi so eti ni nyina no general secretary e bobo ni nyina no no de ababa beto ega either say obey no in the form of a press conference because of the situation we find ourselves or because obey no press statement and now say enebi ani pa 120 no general secretary decided to obey a press conference ni nyina mo no me gidi say ye na wotwe ye na Thursday ni o kira no de I believe say or say ebetudwa na obie ho senia esitie
I see.
Bija nyina ya boni nyina ho poyire dada.
Okay, Bija Mwakwe mudimani di the pilot exercise electoral commission aye nra ne enrechi ne nra. Mo assessment that is saying bibia akoyie.
Oh, so far na ye mpanyifo a akoko nyina no me anso no mesuma youth ni bi mo koye o mu du ha no ma time ye mo ho. O he time na ewo mu na eye pa obe free ha say table we akọ table we ho mebu card e be hwe wo card a wo de ba so uni card as e ya na be bia me hu se be delay kakra ma ye e be guarantee no because no de obi ni mu a yo si nipa no toto ano kakra ansana ye di hu komo but so ukuta voter ID card ukuta ye passport na so ukuta ye NIA card ukuta ne ma mienu we bia eno no de nyame no mukuri ni processes nya no just about 7 minutes no we just about 7 minutes no afani nya mo wi ana say okọ obabi ye ne de chi na ye ni so na no so mo say electoral commission training ye omonko for 42,000 omo beto omagum ame ahye ye the new voter registration exercise na say no concept ne say NTB electoral commission the dates ba betuja omawi piloting idea omahu se ne bibia sitie eti enu ntina no montimi fa date ne ma no ko mu piloting ni wie ene ehu mra bi ne bibia ka ho bia ne bia no mako back ehu se ampa okay ye no se ni hu when ye fa we nsia no ne ahye date ne dia ba eti ye twen ending of June se ye ahoboa mu aso ano na ma men ka sa asem we se electoral commission edi kan o se ni pi ye ba ba new voters register obi bia no enkonkochu ne din ese obi bia enkonkochu ne din NDC for so muntu mu din a ye de emfa omo na obi bia ni ho so be
basa the various piloting centers no mo ho
pa ni atwom sema ya na NDC for nipa mo sen ka mo mpede uchi kokon so ankara de ni ma akovi uchi kokon ankara de ni ma ready electoral commission piloting for new voters register or piloting for new voters register na NDC for almost electoral commission na senduam ama ene podi omanim kasama omo abrante etimi ede atorenchem asemo asie e wa America ma nyina bu afuo eni wiase afa na nyina nso dipa nso tihu yawo akwan ya fa so a eye Floyd yi owu ya o sa police ni fita insa no na wonya omo communications officer de cartoon na so de sere eti nyame no mukwani NDC de omo credibility the way they have lost credibility it is overwhelming and then so sorry me who say omo flag bearer he has endorsed such indiscipline, such insensitive act. He has endorsed it. Hey, I keep saying it's NDC almost leadership crisis. They don't know.
Nana, the Nipana way, no, or chechere, some Mfia chechere, or reasons why I
from Yeni, among some coffee, yes, here, Munano, Yenamon and Namia, the look at Toda over from my from apart open. Why are dear in fact, I dear who crampon is a Omukrampa Omunyaman of force and can be a man and a bee and I may criticize why, or because I'm doing so because of political gains. But there have been so many people, neutral people, religious leaders, artists, entertainers.
Anyway, time will surely tell.
And they must have register. When a trust NDC for you, Timmy NDC for no more cassetin, Ghana for Bois, Boapayo, electoral commission in your bill quantity. Mr. Inyanko Nyanko Chuji now we a new voters register.
Okay.
Unyao NIA card. Na unyao passport. And one no uni binswa akonya okwa ye wo guarantors wo onom omunimu obi a wato ne dada e ofie wo fa bi o maame bi onua bi etimi so wonsa na ode wako na ne niji sema wo mu se obi a o guarantor bia no obi a o register no obetimi a guarantee am ni pattern obi a ono ato ne dada bia no obetimi a edi eginemu ama enipa du nti sɛ wonya enipa 10 ɛna register na ometumi adi agyinamu ama enipa ɔha.
Okay.
To wonya enipa ɔha a ɔma register ometumi adi agyinamu ama apem na ekosa.
Anabi maminya na unasi kwanso bibini ya ebidi nkomo medase pa. Nanabi National Youth Organizer for the MPP and I'm attending Kano.